Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for today's video. We're gonna learn how to make your own ukulele lei. Ukulele lei. Ukulele lei. Ukulele lei. So many ways to say that phrase. Anyway, so today we're gonna learn how to make your own ukulele lei with artificial flowers. So for this project, you will need artificial flowers of some sort. My favorite are the roses or carnations because I like a thicker, like a flower with lots of layers. You can, of course, use any kind of artificial flowers you want. I just like the roses because they have all these extra layers right in here that a hibiscus wouldn't. Like even the carnation has all these little layers here. And you can buy these at either the Dollar Tree. I bought this for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Or you can get some of these other kinds at like Joann Fabrics or Michael's or wherever you can buy artificial flowers. You just want to make sure that your flowers are big enough for the project, or if you want bigger flowers or smaller flowers, that's fine too. For this, you will need at least 6 flowers. If you want to do it the way I did it, you'll need at least 6 flowers. And the cool thing is you can make this in an array of different colors. You can even mix and match the colors. You can do any kind of flower you want. You're also going to need elastic of some sort. It can be clear elastic, different colored. It doesn't matter as long as you have stretchy string. You're also going to need scissors. And then I have in my little bead kit thing here, you're going to need some little round, I think these are about 8mm size beads. Pick any colors you want, have fun. And that's about it for the intro of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And let's get right into it. Alright, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use the pink roses. I just really want to make a pink one today. So what you first want to do is pop the flower heads right off. Also, all these little leaves that are on here, we want those too. So go ahead and slide those right off. So after that, you will be left with nothing. So we got our flowers and we got our leaves. Now what you want to do is take apart everything else. You want to take apart the little plastic pieces that are on it and take the next leaf, pull off that plastic piece. We don't want that. And go ahead and do that with all the leaves. Okay, so then these little pieces, you can just get rid of these. We don't want those. Now we have the roses. So go ahead and take the bottom piece off, like that. And then sometimes in the middle of these flowers, if you go in a couple layers, there'll be another little like plastic piece. Get rid of that too, we don't want that. And then just keep taking your flower apart. Just make sure that you keep everything in the same order that you found it in. Then just go ahead and set that to the side. Do that with all 6 flowers. So now you have taken apart all the flowers. Make sure all the plastic pieces, so all these little pieces, make sure you take all of those out, and then we'll just set these to the side because we don't need these anymore. Now you want to get out your stretchy string. I also have these little round plastic beads, so just pick out some beads. I'm using mine to match both the leaves and the flowers. So go ahead and get some plastic beads. We'll set those off in the corner like that. Now first oh no, my flowers are coming apart. No. Okay, so now what you want to do is we're going to take the first flower and take your flower and turn it upside down because you want the back of the flower first, and you're going to take your stretchy string and you want to feed it through the center hole of each of the petals, just like this. So if you have to turn your little flower upside down and then put the petals on, that's fine too. But go ahead and string each of the petals on. You have your flower just like that. There's string going through the whole thing. Take your center bead you're going to use for the center of the flower, string that right on there. And now you're going to feed the string right back through the flower. And then just make sure you pull the string a little bit. So I like to do that by grabbing the middle bead inside the flower. And then you just pull the string out as far as you want, maybe about like a foot or so. And then when you pull it, you got your bead right in there, right inside your flower, and then you have the 2 strands of the elastic, which I know are kind of like see-through right now, but they're right here, here's the 2 strands of elastic. There's your little bead right in the center of the flower. It's so pretty. So now you want to go ahead and take one of the green beads, put that on the string. Take one of your little leaves right here, stick it through the hole that's in the center of the leaves, pull that down, take the bead, another green bead, put that on it, and it'll look like that. So you have your green bead, your leaf, and another green bead. So now you want to go ahead and repeat that 6 more times. Alright, now you have all the flowers strung on your stretchy string. It kind of looks like a bunched up mess. If it does, that's okay. That means everything is on tight enough, so that is good. Kind of looks like this. You got your flower, your leaf, flower, leaf, flowers, leaves, flowers, leaves. It's all good fun. I like it. Now what you want to do is take your 2 strings right here and you want to tie a knot. Just make sure you don't catch any of the leaves or the petals in while you're tying the knot. So tie a knot, tie another one. Now because I'm paranoid, I literally tie like 10 knots because I'm just afraid it's gonna fall apart. So go ahead and tie as many knots as you want to tie. Just make sure you pull it pretty tight. If you want to, you can put a little bit of clear nail polish on the knot or glue if you want to secure it, but I'm just gonna tie it like this. Make sure it's on there pretty good. Get your scissors, cut off the excess string, and there you have it. You have a little ukulele lei. So all you need now, all you gotta do is take your ukulele, stick this right on top, on over it. I like to make it so there's 3 flowers on one side and 3 on the other because I like balance apparently. And there you go. That's how you make your own ukulele lei. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked learning how to make your own lei for your ukulele. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.